Hey everybody, welcome to another Social Minute with Gateway Mechanical. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can save money on your AC this summer.
Number 1, make sure your thermostat is in the right location. Keep it central, away from exterior walls, heat sources, electronics, and other diffusers or registers. Number 2, keep your blinds closed, windows closed, and lights off whenever your air conditioning is running if possible. Number 3, manage your humidity. Humidity plays a big role in the way you feel. The less humidity, the drier the air, the more comfortable you'll feel. Number 4, don't overdo it. Use a smart, programmable thermostat. Don't run your AC when the space is unoccupied. Let the thermostat maintain a comfortable environment. Number 5, maintain your unit. Proper regular maintenance is key. This allows your equipment to run as efficiently as possible. It also will help you avoid costly, unexpected repairs. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and network. And don't forget to follow Gateway Mechanical for more awesome videos and great content.